Hello students. In the previous video, I told you about the celestial body, that is sun, the moon, the planets, asteroids, meteoroids, etc. And all that celestial bodies actually make the solar system. Yes, right. Today I am going to take the topic that is solar system. Now, for the solar system, first of all, this soul word, this in Roman mythology, this is called as sun god, means refer to the sun. So this solar word means it is related to the sun. Clear? So the family of the sun, this solar system becomes the family of the sun. So in short or in layman language, we called solar system as the family of the sun. And who are the members of this family? The planets, moons, asteroid, comets, that are the members of the solar system or the family of the sun. And who is the head of this family? Yes, right. Sun is the head of this solar family or solar system. So the sun is in the center of the solar system. It is huge and made up of extremely hot gases, and these are the two gases that actually provide heat and light for the solar system, and these two gases are hydrogen gas and helium gas, and continuously they are providing heat and light. But we cannot feel so much heat on the earth. However, we know that sun is the closest star to the earth, but even then it is far away from the earth, and that distance between the sun and the earth is 150 million kilometer. So the sun is away from the earth by 150 million kilometer. And this is the second fact, that we know that light travels at the speed of about 300,000 kilometer per second. So light travels at this speed. Even then the sun takes 8 minutes. The sun takes 8 minutes to reach the earth. It means when sun rays falling on the earth's surface, that sun rays take 8 minutes to reach on the earth. Now look at this. Here the solar system has an elliptical shape. This is clear from this picture. This is the elliptical shape. And here different dotted lines are there. These dotted lines are actually what? Orbits. These dotted lines are the orbits. Now what are orbits? Now you can see that sun is in the center of the solar system, and around the sun there are planets that revolve around the sun. But while revolving around the sun, generally they take fixed path. Like suppose this is the first planet, Mercury, and it revolves around its own fixed path. So this fixed path is called orbit of the Mercury. In the same way, this farthest planet, this is the orbit of the farthest planet. Clear? So this shape is elliptical. The shape of the solar system is elliptical, and the 8 planets of the solar system move around the sun in fixed path, and these paths are called orbits. Besides the planet, these are the other celestial bodies which are the members of the solar system: the moon, comets, asteroids, meteors and meteorites. These are also the part of the solar system. Now, there are 8 planets that orbit the sun. These planets in order from the sun, that are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Now here Pluto is also written. Pluto was once regarded a planet, but now it's called a dwarf planet. So it's not a part of the solar system, it's a dwarf planet. Now coming to the eighth planet, this Mercury. Mercury is the nearest planet to the Sun, and it takes only about 88 days to complete one round along its orbit. Do you remember how many days does the earth take to complete one round around the sun, which is called the revolution of the earth? Yes, your guess is right. That is 365 days. 365 days and 6 hours. That is the exact time. Clear? Now that is the time. So now the next planet in the order we have this Venus. Now Venus is called as the earth twin. This Venus and earth, they are called as the twin because the shape and size of both the planets are similar. Now this Earth is the living planet. Out of all these planets, the Earth is only the living planet. Next is Mars. Mars is called as the red planet because its surface is red in color due to the presence of iron oxide there. The next one is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system. Then Saturn. Saturn is the planet, and around the Saturn you can see that some rings around the planet, and these are visible from the earth's surface. These are white in color. This is Uranus and Neptune. They are very cold planet, and they are generally made up of the liquid, and that liquids are in frozen because of the very less temperature there. So they are the 8 planets of the solar system. Now there is a easy way to learn the name of the planets in order from the sun, and that line is my very efficient mother just served us nuts. Here M stands for Mercury, V stands for Venus, E stands for Earth, M for Mars, J for Jupiter, S for Saturn, U for Uranus, and N for nuts. So by remembering this line only, we can learn all the names of planet in the exact order. Now, there are 8 planets, and that planets are classified as inner planets and outer planets. Now from this picture it is clear that some planets, like these first 4 planets, are small in size, and rest 4 planets are big in size. Now these first 4 planets are inner planets, and the rest 4 planets are the outer planet. And one more thing you can notice here, this is the asteroid. Now they are also revolving around the sun like this. They are also revolving around the sun in the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. Now this is Mars and this is Jupiter. So between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter, these asteroids are also revolving. And here Pluto also you can see in this picture, which is the dwarf planet. Now the inner planets, these are the features of the inner planets, and the names you already know, that are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Now the features of the inner planets are that they are made of rocky materials, so their surface is hard and solid. They don't have rings, very few moons, and out of these 2 planets, very few moons. First of all, moon. We know that moon is a celestial body, and moon is also a natural satellite of the planet. As the planets revolve around the sun, the moon revolves around the planet. Like Earth is having moon as natural satellite and moon is revolving around the Earth. So these inner planets, out of these 4 planets, this Mercury and Venus, they don't have any moon. No moon. And Earth is having only 1 moon and Mars is having 2 moons. And their size clear from the picture, even from the previous picture also, that they are small in size in comparison to the next 4 planet, means the outer planets. Now, this is the picture of the outer planets, the Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Jupiter is the largest planet, and this Jupiter planet has 53 moons. 53 moons. This Saturn has again 53. This Uranus has 27 and Neptune has 13 moons. So, whereas in the inner planets only Earth and Mars have the moon, that is 1 and 2, and here the Jupiter like 53, Saturn 53, Uranus 27, so and Neptune 13. So, the first feature of the outer planet is that they have multiple moons. Then no solid surface. No solid surface means because they are made up of gases and liquids. Now these two are made up of gases and these two are made up of liquids. So their solid surface is not there. Next feature is that these planets support ring system, and of the Saturn this ring is visible. Next is immense in size, means big in size. So these planets are big in size. So in this video you have learnt about the solar system, about this the time taken by the sun rays and the gases which provide heat and light to the solar system, about the path taken by the planets which is called orbit, and the members of the solar system, and the entire solar system, and one line also by which you can remember the names of the planet according to their order, and this inner and outer planet. Hope so all the points are clear to you. So in the next video I'll take up the next topic. Till then, goodbye.